Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 159, lecture 1, lesson name Geometrical Constructions. First we start bisecting a line segment. Let A be the given line segment. It is required to find point N on it is so that AN is equal to NB. In other words, we need to bisect AB. Example 1 on page number 160. Bisect AB with a ruler and a pair of compasses. Steps of constructions. Step 1, draw a line segment AB. Step 2, with as a center and with a radius more than half of AB, draw two arcs above and below AB. Step 3, with a B as a center and the same radius, draw two more arcs to cut the previous arcs at L and M. Step 4, join L and M intersecting AB at N. Step 5, measure AN and B as AN is equal to NB. LM, bisect the line segment AB at N. Now you can check in diagram AB and LM.